Pepe the Frog has made people millionaires, but it's also lost people thousands. But there's a key area that I could see on the price charts that we're going to dive straight into now, that if broken, I can see price skyrocket for Pepe. And we're going to go through both the positives and the negatives on this cryptocurrency, because anybody that's bought Pepe at the top of the hype when it was launched up here has lost a significant amount of money. Let's not kid ourselves about this, guys. It's important. So how much money would you have lost if you bought Pepe at the top of the hype? You would have actually lost 86% of your total equity that you've put into Pepe. So how does bringing your average down and how does applying the appropriate risk management work? If you're one of the unfortunate ones that did buy Pepe here and you started building a position down at these levels here, what it's going to do is it's going to bring your average down for the next run. Now, I emphasize, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is a high risk allocation. So use the appropriate risk management and spread your portfolio accordingly. Now, the key area that we're looking to break, let's delve into the daily and find out. And it's more of a zone than an area. And let me tell you why these patterns are important. Let me tell you what this pattern actually is. It's the head and shoulders, or in this case, the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, why are these significant? Because they tell a story on the charts. We're in a downtrend at the moment in Pepe. Price action has been making lower lows and higher and lower highs. So what does this mean? What does this pattern mean? The head and shoulders pattern. It actually means that price action is trying to continue in this instance with the trend. So it's continuing with the trend. It's creating those lower highs and it's moving to the downside. Now we make a base here. This is significant, and a slight higher low. Now that shows that there's an area here which is significant, that shows there's possibly a bit of change in sentiment. There's possibly, in this case, a bit of bullish sentiment here. So what we do is we carry on to the upside, and we've taken out these previous highs, which is also significant. That shows the bulls have got momentum. We've tested the neckline of this head and shoulders, and then we've come back down, and this is the key area. This is the important part. We've reversed, and if we make this right shoulder, it shows that there's going to be a higher low in play officially. And that, my friends, is going to confirm the breakout. If we do confirm the breakout, we can measure that top to bottom from the neckline to the head. And what we can do is we can pull this tool up and get an estimate as to how much momentum the bulls have got and how far they're likely to push price action up there. So it goes up all the way to 0.0000023, all the way from 116 at the moment where current price action stands. And you can see that this level is actually significant because it created a previous structure shelf at this level here. So price is likely to get a reaction from there. So this measurement works, and that's what I'm looking for. If price action reverses to the downside, we're not going to get a break of the neckline. This is not going to be confirmed, and then we can analyze and assess accordingly. So that's my analysis on Pepe. If you do want to see more analysis on Pepe, check out this video here. Bye from me.